Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is episode 3 of Dilmas. Yay! Okay, so I am a T-Mobile customer, and I felt a little bit left out Black Friday, Cyber Monday, when everyone was able to go to Walmart or Target or all these different places and get a phone and get $300 back and all of this stuff, because T-Mobile was left out of every single deal. You could only get a discount, I guess you could say, from T-Mobile if you had the jump program or something. You had to go straight through T-Mobile. But every year T-Mobile comes out with holiday deals or things that they give away for free if you do this or you do that around this time of the year. When I first got to T-Mobile, they had a Samsung gift thing they were doing where if you purchased a Samsung phone within a certain date range, you could get your choice of, I believe it was 3 different gifts. I chose some wireless headphones, a wireless charging station, and one of those portable batteries. Unfortunately, my Bluetooth headphones only worked once for Bluetooth capability, and then they eventually snapped from putting them on my head, on and off my head. They also had another deal that went on after that where you could get a $25 or $50 Samsung credit, and they had different stipulations, but I did take advantage of that as well. I haven't taken advantage of any of the deals in the recent years, but I decided to go ahead and go in here and check out and see what they have, and it's no surprise that they have a lot to offer. So I want to share that with you all. T-Mobile is offering a free 50-inch Samsung 4K TV if you join T-Mobile. So if you are a customer for any of the other carriers, if you come to the uncarrier T-Mobile and you activate 2 or more qualifying lines and you buy an eligible Samsung smartphone, you will get a free 50-inch Samsung 4K TV. Now I know that so many people go out and try to find big flat screen TVs during Black Friday. I don't know what people do with their TVs from last year or the year before. I mean, every year people go out and try to find TVs for Black Friday. Well, you can get a free 50-inch Samsung 4K TV from T-Mobile. So what I want to do now is to go ahead and see what are the eligible Samsung smartphones that will qualify you for being able to get this flat screen TV. So the Samsung Galaxy S9, S9 Plus, Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S8 Active, or the Galaxy S8 can qualify you to get this 50-inch Samsung 4K TV. This is the limited time offer. If you are interested in this, I would definitely recommend that you take advantage of it. It says to visit a store to get this deal. This offer is only valid at a T-Mobile retail location. It says buy a phone and add a line, purchase an eligible Samsung phone with a finance agreement and add a qualifying line. Next, it says to apply for your code, visit the promotion site and complete your application. But do notice that supplies are limited and your application is your place in line. So the sooner you do it, the better. Third, you order your TV from Samsung. In 3 days, you'll receive an email with your redemption code and ordering instructions. You need to order by December 31st, 2018. They have another limited time offer. When you join T-Mobile and you add a paired digits line and buy a Samsung Galaxy Watch, you can get another one for 50% off to gift. And that 50% off is applied by bill credits. So 24 monthly bill credits is how you will receive that 50% off of that second Samsung Galaxy Watch. If you cancel your service, credits stop and remaining balance at full price becomes due for that watch. Thirdly, if you join T-Mobile today, you get 50% off the Samsung Galaxy Tab S4 when you add a mobile internet line, and you will be able to get this 50% off with 24 monthly bill credits. So once again, if you cancel, the balance will become due. Now, you probably have questions about the Samsung TV On Us offer. They have you covered. When you go to T-Mobile.com, you can get your answers. So what do I need to know about this offer? It started November 30th. New and existing customers. So this says existing customers. Although they said when you join T-Mobile, it says existing customers who purchased a Samsung Galaxy Note 9, Galaxy S9, Galaxy S9 Plus, Galaxy S8, or Galaxy S8 Active on an equipment installment plan. So leasing the phone. And eligible T-Mobile One with Netflix included rate plan line can get a Samsung 50-inch 4K UHD smart TV on us, on T-Mobile. This is on a first to submit basis, as we've already established. The new customers must activate 2 lines. Existing customers must activate at least 1 new line on a qualified rate plan. So that's where the existing customers come in. Purchase a Samsung smartphone on EIP, which means to lease it. If there is a down payment, you need to pay the required down payment. Of course, you're going to have to do that in order to be able to get the phone anyway. A SIM starter kit or upgrade support charge may be required. You need to remain active and in good standing on a qualified rate plan with active EIP, with an active phone lease. What rate plans are eligible for this offer? The T-Mobile One, TI, Military, and Amplified plans. We've already established that new or existing customers can be eligible for this offer. If you can't make it into a retail location, then unfortunately you will not be able to take advantage of this offer because you have to go in store to get it. There is a limit on how many times you can take advantage of this offer. You can only get 1 TV per account. If you are a T-Mobile business customer with 12 or fewer lines, you can take advantage of this offer if you visit the store. And it's the same thing, you're limited to 1 TV per account. If you are a T-Mobile employee, you cannot take advantage of this offer. Questions regarding the Samsung Watch offer. What do you need to know about this offer? Well, it started November 16th. And if you purchase a Samsung Galaxy Watch or a Gear S3 on an equipment installment plan, which is a lease, with a data with paired digits plan on the same line, you can save up to $200 on the second Samsung Galaxy Watch or S3 via 24 monthly bill credits. In order to get this offer, you must purchase both watches on the same account through the 24-month no interest EIP with 0% APR. In layman's terms, purchase both of the watches on the same account with a 24-month lease. You also need to activate both of the watches. If you're an existing customer, that means you need to add at least 1 new line, and that new line must have one of the new watches purchased on a 24-month lease. You need to pay the required down payments and any device taxes at time of purchase for each watch. New or existing customers can take advantage of this offer. You will receive your bill credit once your account is verified, which is typically by your second bill cycle. You may get up to 6 discounted watches with the purchase of 6 non-discounted watches. So 12 watches in total after 24 monthly bill credits per consumer account. The same thing applies for business customers. It's subject to credit approval. In addition, you must have fewer than 12 voice lines on the account to be eligible. If the device you ordered is on back order, you do still qualify for this offer as long as you meet all of the offer criteria and purchase the watches within the promotional window. If you already have a Digits plan for a different smartwatch, that is okay. You can transfer that plan to one of your new watches, and as long as your other new device is activated on a new data with paired Digits plan on it, you will qualify. Also, if you go over to holiday deals in the top menu, T-Mobile says it's the season of free. It shows that same TV deal. There's also a limited time offer where you can save up to $360 on the Samsung Galaxy S9 with a qualifying trade-in. It's for well-qualified buyers, and you will be getting that possible $360 back in 36 monthly bill credits. If you get the Note 9, the Galaxy S8, S8 Active, or S9 Plus, you will be given money back with 24 monthly bill credits. So that's why it says up to $360. So it looks like it would be $240 if you purchase one of those other devices. They also have a limited time offer where you can save up to $360 on the LG V40 with a qualifying trade-in as well, and that will be given to you with 36 monthly bill credits. If you get the G7, then you will get 24 monthly bill credits. They have a limited time offer on Apple Watches. You can get a free LTE tablet with 24 monthly bill credits when you add a mobile internet line. You can save $144 on the Samsung Galaxy A6 when you add a line with 24 monthly bill credits. You can get an iPhone 7 and save $210 with 24 monthly bill credits when you add a line. It is for well-qualified customers. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Ashley, and you have been watching Dollars and Cents Online Dealsmas Episode 3, and I will see you all in the next video.